good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. These exercises are aimed at improving stability, strength, and coordination while also promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Whether you are living with a condition such as ataxia, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, or stroke, these exercises can be tailored to suit your needs and help you on your journey to better balance and mobility. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right.
Like that.
No, it says go real slow. Straight, stay straight up and down. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. You look at me straight ahead. Yeah. Yeah. See, resist that urge to look at it. You can't go higher than that. Why are you going fast? It says it wants you to go slow. That's a little slower. That's good right there. Do 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Bend over and touch it. Because you have to bend at the waist and twist a little bit.
Should I bend the knees?
You can't bend the knees, but if you can keep straight, even better. It's either or, whatever the person's capable of. If somebody's not flexible enough,
Two more.
if their back is weak, maybe they bend the knees more. Because the straight leg version, I would say, is like harder.
Yeah.
Now touch, stand up. Every time stand all the way up. Yeah, don't stay bent over. See what you're doing? You're compensating by don't. Just stand straight up. Stand straight up. There you go. You still want to do it. Good.
Ready?
Go. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just switch feet. You got to be able to switch without moving too much or knocking the block over.
Remember to listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. These yoga block balance exercises can help individuals with neurological disabilities improve their strength and stability. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.